Hey friends, are you ready? Let's cook Persian meatballs, which is called koofteh. The ingredients are 2 cups of rice, half a cup of split peas, 100 gram chopped herbs contain parsley, coriander, tarragon, savory, and mint, half a kilo ground meat, 2 onions, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, an egg, 2 teaspoons salt, half a teaspoon turmeric, a quarter of teaspoon pepper, few prunes,
Twenty minutes later.
grate an onion, add meat, rice, split peas, herbs, salt, pepper, turmeric, and egg. You can also use dried herbs, 1 tablespoon of each. Mix them. Knead thoroughly for about 3 to 4 minutes so that all ingredients is combined well. Roll them into meatballs. We take the size of a tangerine from the ingredients. Put a prune in the middle. Shape the mixture onto meatballs. Dice onion. Fry in oil. Add turmeric and tomato paste. Pour 3 glasses of water. When it boils, put prepared koofteh in boiling water. It takes 1 hour with low heat.
1 hour later.
It's ready to eat. Enjoy your meal.